I am Dr. Naushad, consultant physician, St. Joseph Hospital, Mukkam. Hypertension is the one of leading risk factor for cardiovascular diseases, stroke, chronic kidney diseases, premature death in India. In India, 1 in 3 young adults have hypertension. But over 50% of these hypertensive patients are not diagnosed because lack of awareness and a routine screening test, routine BP checking. Because in early stage of hypertension, there is no severe symptoms due to elevated blood pressure. So these patients are undiagnosed. In this scenario, the campaign Act at 30 means A means awareness about the silent risk factor of elevated BP, and C means checking, routine BP checking at the age of 30, and treatment. T means treatment. Treatment means proper evidence-based treatment and lifestyle modification. These are that tackle for elevated hypertension. World Hypertension Day on May 17 with a theme of measure your blood pressure accurately, control it, live longer. Thank you.